welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and if this is your very first time to my channel, that's right, what's up? Here on my channel we talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, paying off debt, brand new home ownership, home decor, all that good stuff here. And if you are a returning gem, hey, so excited that you have decided to return. So on today's video, I am going to be counting my saving challenges for 2021. That is the year that we are currently in. So if you guys know, this year I've been kind of in and out. My saving challenges, I was saving money now. But the difference was last year, my battery's about to go dead, y'all. That's why I'm looking over here. If I can get this intro out really quick. But I'm going to be counting my saving challenges, and we're going to see how much we save. I'm going to be using all of this money for the holidays. So that's why I really need to count it now, because I plan to have a blast for Thanksgiving and Christmas. It's going down. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge my battery, and then the next time that you see me, I will be counting my savings challenges for the year 2020. All right, you guys, so we are getting ready to count the money that we have saved, but I do want to recap and talk about the saving challenges that I actually have participated in this year. So I did participate in the $1 challenge and the $5 challenge. I will tell you that I participated in it loosely, but I did save 5s and 1s. I also participated in the 52-week savings challenge. And then I also did the coin challenge, but I'm actually not going to be counting these coins today because this is probably about $40 maybe, I don't know. So I'm gonna roll this over to the new year, and then I have 5s and 1s in here, and I believe that is pretty much it for my savings challenges for 2021. Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I just moved this year. So a lot of my saving efforts went toward my emergency fund for my new home. So it's not going to be like last year, but I hope I have $1,000 saved. I don't know, because like I said, I was definitely really focused on saving for my emergency fund. But next year, what I'm going to do it a little bit different. And I've been watching a lot of you guys, a lot of the cash stuffing community. And you guys are brilliant. Let me just say that. You guys have some really fantastic ideas. So next year I'm still going to be saving towards different things, and I'm going to use those saving challenges to do that. I'm just going to make sure that that money is going somewhere so that you guys can see me actually saving that money. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right on in. All right, so let's go ahead and take out all the money.
Now, I don't normally like getting up in the morning, but oh, Mr. Sun is shining down on me. So you chipped your nail, you stubbed your toe, you lost your phone. Life's a rolling stone on a broken roller coaster. Scream shit, move on, throw your hands up, move on. It's all good, today's your day. Time is filled with swift transition. Put yourself in good position if you want. Things can go your way. Ain't no time to smell the roses. Gotta get to where to go. The road's already been paved. Here I go, ready now. I'm coming for you. Can't nothing stop me. I got some things I gotta do. Hey, 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 hey. I'm making a move. Study long, study wrong. Ain't nothing gonna happen on its own. I'm making a move. Don't need no hickeys for this song. I got joy all through my soul.
So let's go ahead and start counting. I'm gonna start with the 1s first. So how much money do you guys think this is? You guys know how we do. How much do you think it is? All right, I have my notebook here so we can Make sure that we document. All right, so this is 2021. So we have our $1 bills, we have our $5 bills, and then we have our, what is this, 52-week savings. And then we will have the total. All right, you guys, let's start counting. All right, now probably we'll separate these in $10 stacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my goodness, guys, my OCD, the dollars are turned. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this dollar is cut. 4, 1. Oh my God, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That dollar really got me messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This money feels so dirty, you guys. It's driving me crazy. It's driving me insane. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. So we're gonna put that 5 right there. So how much money do we have in ones? So we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, $125 in ones. Yes, $125 in ones. That is amazing, you guys. That's not bad. That is not bad at all, especially what I have planned for the holidays for my nieces and nephews. This will definitely take care of 2.5 kids. All right, so now let's count our $5 bills. How much do you think this is? All right, let's go for it. All right, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So $100, $245 for our fives. $245. Okay, now our 52-week savings. Now I will tell you guys that this one was on the struggle bus. Okay, as you can see, I did not save every single amount. I had so much going on this year, you guys, that your girl was off. But like I said, the majority of my money went towards my my emergency fund. So yeah. All right, so let's count and see what we did save in this envelope.
Ain't this fun? I got someone who can be next to me all night. Oh, I'm lucky, baby, baby. We got that groove, we got those drums, and baby, you're my melody. And never mind what they think about us. You the wind in my sail, that's enough. You got me, you got me, you got me right where you want me. You want yeah, your love is so amazing. We're breaking all the rules tonight. Ooh, she like, why you staring at me? Get out my space. Ooh, I'ma never, 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 never let you go. They gon' try to stop you, but you're a rule breaker. It's time to be you. When you're looking like that, they don't know what to do with you. I got friends on the east side. No one lights up the room like you do. Shine, shine, shine. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When I feel love.
All right, so we are gonna count how much do you think this is in the 52-week savings challenge? How much do you think this is? All right, so let's get to counting. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, I got lost, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then this 50. So let's see, this is $20 right here. Don't forget that, y'all. This is $20. So we got 100, 200, 300, 4, 5, 6, 7, 750, 770. 770, you guys. All right, so now let's get our handy dandy calculator and let's total this all up. All right, so we got 125 plus 245 plus 770. So we saved a total of $1,140 for our saving challenges. And this was really basically like inconsistent saving. So listen, whew, okay, this should tell you guys, this was inconsistent saving challenges, okay? Mind you, yes, I was saving a lot of my money for my what do you call it, my emergency fund, and then of course I had to buy furniture and things like that. So a lot of my money went to those efforts, but I just want to let you know, by me doing something inconsistently, I saved $1,140, where I wasn't even, you know, if you look at last year and you look at how much I saved and how diligent I was, I saved a lot more. But I'm really excited about this amount, being that I wasn't really just like super focused on the saving challenges. And this goes to show you that saving a little bit over time definitely adds up. It adds up, you guys. It adds up, it adds up, it adds up. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Stay tuned for the saving challenges that I will be doing next year. It's gonna be completely different from this year and a lot more fun. but I'm not sure all of them that I want to do. So that video will be coming out soon, and I would definitely like to partner with someone. If anybody has any that they will be doing and you want to share it with me, you want to partner with me, I'm totally open to that and would love to do it. I think everybody should save. I want to get into investing. I mean, I'm just, you know, next year, now that I'm almost 1 year into the house, you know, I still have a lot to do in the house. Don't get me wrong. I have a lot to do and that I want to do, but I know that saving challenges will take me there much quicker. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you did not catch last year's video, definitely check it out and stay tuned for this week's video. My budget is coming out because I'm getting paid on this week, so stay tuned for the budget video, and then stay tuned for a cash stuffing video, and I will see you in the next one. Go be great. Peace out.
Hands up in the air, hands up, move our bodies. Hands up, we don't care. Everybody swaying all night. Hands up in the air, hands up, move our bodies. Hands up, we don't care. Everybody swaying. I got your attention, look in my direction.